The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is 23rd Sunday in Ordinary Time, 8th of September. And we know that 8th of September is the birthday of our Blessed Lady. And I guess it is right that we greet her happy birthday. And if I may ask from all of you, please say a little rosary in honor of our Blessed Lady. And our gospel for today will be coming from St. Mark chapter 7, verses 31 to 37. Jesus opened the ears and the tongue of a deaf and dumb man. He said, Ephata, be open. In our prayers for today and in our reflection, I hope that the Lord will also open us. Open our hearts to love Mary more. Open our hearts to understand why we honor our Blessed Lady. And open our hearts so that whatever love we have in our heart will be like the love of our Blessed Lady. Yes, she is one like us. And I would like to correct the misconnotation or misrepresentation or even perhaps misunderstanding about our Blessed Lady, which our brothers in other denominations are telling that we are making a God out of Mary. No, we have to be clear on that. We never and we shall never worship Mary. And we are not making a God out of Mary. But why we have so much love and honor for her? Not because she is a God, but because of her example, of her work in the history of our salvation. Her selfless giving of herself, her fiat. When the angel Gabriel told her, you will be the mother of God, she said, I am the handmaid of the Lord. And remember this, our true devotion to Mary can only be called real if our devotion to her will end up with Jesus. Otherwise, that will be a fake devotion to Mary. And even Mama Mary will not be happy if our devotion to her will be stuck on her. She wants us to come to her so that she may bring us closer to her son. Remember what the Blessed Mary told the servants at wedding at Cana. Do whatever he tells you. She is not saying, do what I am telling you. She is telling us, do whatever he tells you. And so to all my Marian devotees, to all of us Catholics believing in the love and maternal protection of our Blessed Lady, do not ever be mistaken of that. We honor Mary not because she is God. We honor Mary because she is the mother of Jesus, our God, our Lord Jesus Christ. And we honor her because we know that following her footsteps is a sure way to heaven, a sure way to come and be closer to her Son, our Lord Jesus Christ. May the Blessed Lady always be in our hearts. God bless.